also.
Yeah. So please open your website, please. First of all, I want to see your website. Can you hear me now clearly?
Yeah, I can hear you. What you saying?
Okay. Please open your website, your business website or landing page. You have a website or landing page yet?
My voice is not clear.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm asking, can you hear me?
Yeah. My request is please open your landing page or website in new tab. I want to see your website firstly, and after that I will guide
you
you
want
something.
to see website in new tab?
Yeah. What's your location? Where are you from?
At
USA. Which state and what is your target?
California.
Okay, what is your target location in Google Ads? I can.
Are you here?
Yeah, I am here.
I'm sending you website link on WhatsApp. Can I send it?
Sure, why not? Before we discussed our project, first of all, I need to ask some questions. Are you ready to answer my questions? If you don't mind. Okay. What type of business
Yeah,
do
you
you
can
have?
ask.
What type of business do you have, and what type of business goals? If you discussed in clearly, then
It's chimney cleaning services. It's chimney cleaning services and chimney repair services. Fireplaces cleaning services.
okay. So, what's your goal? What's your main goal?
I want to get some phone calls.
Okay. Have you tracked the conversion before running the campaign?
Yeah.
Okay. I need to see your website or landing page first of all, and after that I will audit your Google Ads account, everything like ads, extension, ads, assets, ad groups, and so on.
I think you must check first as before because each and everything is audited by me. According to me, everything is okay now.
Okay, that's
Because
great.
ad is showing impressions but not clicks and conversions. That is the main issue.
Okay, what is your daily budget in campaign level or ad set, ad group?
Yeah. What are you saying?
What is the campaign cost in daily basis or long time or lifetime? What is the cost of your campaigns?
No, it's on daily $50 per day.
I can't hear you.
I'm showing my keywords. You can check it.
Yeah, I see. But all keywords are broad match. Am I right?
Broad match. Yeah, keywords are in broad match.
Okay. So if you working together, first of all, we need to access of your Google Ads account. Just share your 10-digit Google Ads number, and after that we can request you to access your Google Ads account. সো দেখি আসলে ক্লায়েন্ট তার ল্যান্ডিং পেজের কথা বলতেছে, তো আমি বললাম তুমি আমাদের চ্যাট বক্সে এখানে শেয়ার করতে পারো। সে বলতেছে সে কি লো টার্গেটিং করে রেজাল্ট পাবে কি না, তো আমি বললাম ঠিক আছে আমরা ট্রাই করে দেখতে পারি। তারপর বললো 1 মিনিটস, সে তার ল্যান্ডিং পেজটা শেয়ার করবে এই আমাদের চ্যাট বক্সে আর কি, গুগল মিট তো না, জুমের চ্যাট বক্সে। সো দেখি আসলে কি করে। আর তার মেইন প্রবলেমটা হলো তার যে গুগল অ্যাডস অ্যাকাউন্টটা আছে সেটা হয়তো বা নতুন, এবং সে এখানে ক্যাম্পেইন রান করছে। ক্যাম্পেইনটা রান করার সাথে সাথেই কিন্তু ক্যাম্পেইনটা আসলে লার্নিং ফেজে চলে গেছে বা লার্নিং মোডে চলে গেছে। তো এইটা থেকে ওভারকাম করার আসলে উপায় যেটা, সেটা আমরা এখন খুঁজতেছি আর কি, বা ক্লায়েন্টের পিন পয়েন্টস বা পেইন পয়েন্টস হচ্ছে এইটাই। এখন এটাকে ওভারকাম করতে হবে বা ক্লায়েন্টকে আর সে বুঝাইতে হবে আসলে। Yeah, I think this is your a very new Google Ads account. That's why if you run any campaign, then it will go for learning phase. And so far I can guess if you overcome it, and after that you will get results, good amount of results. So far I can guess. So now need to wait and see. In this case you can increase your budget, campaign budget, and in 30 or 15 in 30 days you will, if you will get 30 to 50 leads or phone calls, and after that the campaign will be active and overcome the learning phase.